Hey folks, well, back again. We had a heck of a winter, so kind of a long hiatus here, but we're back in the garden and it's May 13th. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show how I plant potatoes. Now yesterday I cut the seed potatoes and I cut the eyes and then I let them kind of cure overnight in the wheelbarrow there. And then our raised beds were all covered with chopped leaves last fall. Now 2 to 3 inches of chopped leaves that I pulled off this bed, and then I got it down to the bare soil underneath, and then I just took a digging fork and just kind of gently turned the soil over. Now I don't want to come in here with our little tiller for a couple of reasons. One, I really don't want to destroy the soil structure, and the other is I don't want to kill the amazing number of earthworms that are in these beds already. So I'll try to one-hand this and see if I can dig up a spot here. Okay, now look at this. This is just one scoop. I mean, it's amazing. And so what I did is this part I planted already. And so I just turned that soil over, kind of broke up the clods a little bit, and then I just buried my potatoes. Just the soil is so nice and loose right now. I just buried them down. And since it's raised beds, I did them probably like 12-inch centers. And then this part that's already planted, the leaves that I'd pulled off, I just moved back on top of the planted potatoes. So I'll do that with the rest of the bed here now. I'll just finish off with these seed potatoes, and I'm sure I'll have enough left over. So that was 10 pounds. So I'll have enough left over, and I'm going to plant probably one of these 8-foot beds with potatoes too. But a really slick way to plant potatoes. And once again, chopped leaves are just amazing for our garden. We have such success with hiring these earthworms to break down those chopped leaves. So what I'm going to do with these other beds is I'm going to take this digging fork and I'm going to turn the leaves into the soil, and in 2 weeks we'll come back and a lot of those leaves will be already eaten up by those earthworms. So it's quite an amazing thing to do. Nothing better for our gardens. We really add nothing else except for some of our compost. So we'll touch bases here in a couple of weeks. Thanks, spring. Happy gardening.